In this video, we shall distribute this cyclic determinant into three factors, where the symbol omega on right hand side represents the imaginary cube root of unity. Here omega is cube root of unity. Therefore, from the properties of three cube roots of unity, we can write 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. That is, sum of cube roots of unity is 0. The product of cube roots of unity is 1. Therefore, omega cube is equal to 1. We can also write omega square is equal to 1 over omega and omega is equal to 1 over omega square. Now we take the left hand side and add the column 2 and column 3 in column 1. Doing so, we get this determinant. Now we shall take a plus b plus c common from the column 1 and we get this determinant. A plus b plus c into 1bc, 1ab, 1ca. Now we shall multiply the row 2 by omega and row 3 by omega square, and we can write this determinant as a plus b plus c into 1 over omega into 1 over omega square. Note that when we multiply the second row by omega, we are to divide outside by omega. Likewise, when we multiply third row by omega square, we are to divide uh, by omega square outside of this determinant. Now we add row 2 and row 3 in row 1. By doing so, we get the left hand side as here the elements of row 2 and row 3 has been added to row 1. Now we make use of properties of determinant and get the left hand side as here omega cube has been replaced by 1. 1 plus omega square has been replaced by 0. Now note one thing. The term b plus a omega plus c omega square, b plus a omega plus c omega square, we can write it as b into 1 plus a omega plus c omega square. We shall replace this one by omega, omega cube, and we can write it as b omega cube plus a omega plus c omega square, which has been written here. Now take the next term, c plus b omega plus a omega square. We can write it as c into 1 plus b omega plus a omega square and replace this one by omega cube, and this sum has been written here. We shall take common omega from this term and omega square from this term, and we can write it as, so the left hand side becomes here the term b omega cube plus a omega plus c omega square. We have taken omega out of these three terms and get omega into b omega square plus a plus c omega. Rearrange it and write it as a plus b omega square plus c omega. Likewise, the term c omega cube plus b omega plus a omega square. We take omega square out from these three terms and we get c omega plus b omega over omega square plus a. It can be written as omega square into c omega plus b over omega plus a. And we know that 1 over omega is equal to omega square. So we can write it as c omega plus b omega square plus a. And we have arranged it and written it as omega square into a plus b omega square plus c omega. Now here is the common factor, and we shall take common this factor from row 1. Now we take out common a plus b omega square plus c omega from row 1 and get the left hand side as. Here the term a plus b omega square plus c omega has been taken out. Now we have established the first two factors. To get the third factor, we shall use Laplace expansion to expand this determinant. After applying Laplace expansion, we get this expression, and after simplifying, we get this expression. Now we shall write 1 instead of omega cube. These omega cubes has been replaced by 1. Now we multiply minus omega to a and b and omega square to c and a and get the expression. Now note that this is minus a omega, this is minus a omega square. We combine these two terms and get common. Terms are minus a omega square. Take out minus a common and write omega plus omega square. And we know that omega plus omega square is equal to 1. And we get eventually get a. Since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, therefore omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. So the expression can be written as, and this is what we were about to show, and this is our right hand side.